And a bit of a different video today. It's still not on the table video, guys, and it's still a Let's Build a Warhound Titan. However, you may notice that behind me, where's it gone? There's no Warhound Titan. Oh no, what's going on? Well, in a matter of fact, guys, it's actually in this box here, because oh my god, look at the state of my office. It's just absolute carnage everywhere. That plate looks like it's got a sad face on it. Eye, mouth. But anyway, so yeah, it's all packed up in this box because today, guys, we are not going to be in my office. We're going to be down in Moggys' shed. We're going to see Moggys Miniatures because he is going to be helping me build the legs for the Warhound Titan. Now, the legs of the Warhound are notoriously difficult to do, and you've got to do it right. So I want to actually, I don't want to ruin a £350 plus model. So I'm going to get help from the professionals, from the experts, from the master. So join us in a little bit, and we'll see what the crack is. So everybody, yes, because it's you. You're on this journey with me. We've arrived at Moggys. Here is the legend himself.
Yo, guys.
We're in his shed, in his man cave, with all the gadgets and all the toys, and we're currently in the process of doing the legs. Now, I have here the example of what we're going to be doing with.
Here's one I made earlier.
Here's one Moggy made earlier, and amongst all these other Titans. Look, there's an armour cast Phantom there. It's great, isn't it? Look at that, beautiful stuff. So silly fucker that I am, I forgot the actual base. Now this base here is as a cutting board. So what the aim of the game is to have it this stance here, because it's a very, very stable stance, and then put a screw up through its foot. But I'm gonna have to do that myself at home. But this is the kind of position that we're going for, because I wanted a little bit of dynamicism, whatever you want to say that to it, but I wanted it to be have a stable position in regards to transporting it, because I've seen some really cool ones where it's like up on its toes, like jumping and stuff, but that just gives me palpitations all over.
Yeah, you don't want it to die.
But one thing that people get wrong, Moggy, you were saying about its feet. And I found this quite interesting because Moggy was saying most people.
A lot of people said this is the middle of the foot, so a lot of people put this flat to the floor, and then have its toes coming up and then flat. This should be up off the floor, and its toes should be like this, so there should be a gap under its toes and under its middle foot.
A lot of people put it, and its feet are up like that. Yeah. Its toes are sticking up.
There should be at least like a 4mm gap between this and the actual base. So it should be up on its toes, and then your other foot you can obviously pose it in any other way you want it. But.
And that's why, guys, I'm here because I didn't want to fuck it up.
Not like me. I've not done that this morning, honestly.
Shh, we won't say anything. Wink, wink. In a bit. Watching the master at work right here.
Yeah, master of something. But,
Are you a man of many skills but a master of none, Moggy?
That's it. That's the one.
So I had no idea how complex the legs were. And we're trying to copy it off this one, as I said before. And it's just like, there's so much. It's not really measuring. You just got you putting pencil marks on stuff to line it up and things. And then I didn't realise, but the pistons, you've got to cut them all to length. And oh God, I can understand, I can imagine completely me getting fucking sick and tired of doing it and lobbing it at a wall, and then I'd cry myself to sleep at night because I'd just get too frustrated.
Well, we got a leg so far.
Got a leg?
She stands.
You look leggy boy right there.
So we got. This goes like this goes like, wrong way around, this goes like this goes like this, and then it'll be a bit.
Oh, it's going to be lovely. It's going to be beautiful.
A bit like this.
It's
done.
It's gonna be so good. So it's been many hours. I've kind of just sat here most of the time and sprayed activator on stuff. But this man here is an absolute legend, an absolute fucking legend, because he's built the fucking legs. Look at that beast. Look at the position on there. That's a man that's built many Warhound Titans. How many Warhounds did you say that you'd built, Moggy?
I think I've built 12. 12
Warhounds. There's 12 Warhounds now. This is you said the only hybrid that's been part built by somebody else and yourself.
That's it. Hybrid Warhound.
Hybrid Warhound. Oh, it's so good. Look at the toes. Look at the tippy toes. I'm so looking forward to finishing the rest of this off. Oh my God, it's so good. We'll look at it a little bit closer up when I get home. Righty then, guys, so we're now back in my office, and we're going to take a close look at the fantastic job that Moggy has done building these legs. And I was handling them before, and I did realise just how much of a good job he has done. I mean, it's they're so good, they're so sturdy, and we not only did that, he actually gave me a few magnets as well. So we've magnetised the waist to the body, and we've got some better magnets and stuff in the head and things like that. It's such a solid job. Really, I couldn't thank him enough. It's such a brilliant job. I'm so happy with it. Upon looking at them, it's going to be a while to paint these legs. What I'm going to do, I'm going to crack on in a little bit today. I think I'm going to prime it. I'm just going to do some like base colours and stuff. One of the issues that I have foreseen is obviously the toes. These bits here, they are basically the same as the carapace. So the inner bits here have got to be green. The outer bits have got to be my brass or bronze colour, however you want to say it. As well as these little armour plates here. And let me just try and move the light a little bit. There we go, that's better. So as well as these, so I'm going to have to, in fact, I might nip out and try and get some mascol or something like that from Hobbycraft in a bit, just because I can't really be bothered waiting. But yeah, guys, so it's gonna take a while. So I'm going to have to paint the toes. I'll prime it, paint the toes, then I'm going to have to mask everything else off. And then probably spray it just for the sake of being neat. I tried it with masking tape on the carapace of the Titan, and a bit of it peeled off. I was a little bit fucked off about it because it ruined the paint job. Because I really didn't want to have to strip it back to bare resin and start again. So I kind of just resprayed over it, and you can kind of, I mean, I know where it is. At a glance, you wouldn't be able to see it, but I can see it in regards to where it peeled the paint off, and there's like a little hole almost. The colour's there, but the texture's not, sadly. But oh well. So yeah, so I mean, just so many pistons, and all the pistons as well. The pistons have got their own individual little Aquila and Mechanicum logos on. And it's going to be awesome. And these are the little details that once they're painted, they're going to look absolutely phenomenal. Other things as well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and magnetise the shin guards on, because one of the hazards Moggy was telling me is once you glue the shin guards on, as you can see, it's relatively thin resin here, and because that's the only point of contact that the shin plates have, if they twist or if they get popped, this bit can just shear off. So what I'm going to try and do, I think I'm going to put some little neodymiums. I've got some little thin ones here, I think. Actually, no, I don't. I'm going to have to buy some more little magnets, unless I can like find some or salvage some out or something. But basically, I'm going to put one there and one there, and then I might just do it anyway like that. I might just stick them on straight, file this a bit more flat, put it on there, and then what I'm going to do with the opposite polarity on the magnets and the shin guard, I'm going to drill them into the shin guard a little bit, that way that it sits completely flush pretty much with this. But I might try and get some thinner magnets. I'm not too sure yet, guys, we'll have to see. But anyway, that was just a quick little look at the fantastic job that Moggy's done. I mean, another thing as well, you can see the amount of effort and the precision. I mean, there was no measuring involved, it was all done by eye, which is a testament to his skill. Obviously, we've got pencil marks here where obviously we had to line everything up, but it's going to look absolutely awesome. I mean, just look at the stance. It really looks anatomical, and it really looks like it's striding forward. It's going to be so good when it's fully painted and fully based, and I'll whip it out at Armies on Parade next year. That's right, guys, I'm going to enter this and my Night Army in Armies on Parade, and it's going to be absolutely lush. It's going to be amazing. But anyway, with that being said, guys, I'm going to leave you, and I'll see you in the next video. So thank you very much for watching. Please let me know what you think of it so far with I mean, these legs. Actually, it wasn't my work, it was Moggy. I literally sprayed activator on stuff, but really good. I'm so happy. I'm so chuffed. But anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys again. Don't forget to check out the Facebook page. Don't forget to check out the Instagram. Lots of stuff going on the Instagram recently. See you now, and goodbye. Links are in the doobly-doo. Ta-ra!